Good afternoon. This is a surprise, but it's all about did you miss it, right? Did you miss it? So I'm going to tell you what you did miss if you did not get the March Adventure Club kit, which was Latte Love. So, what is a club kit all about? Before I tell you about the March kit, the club it's sort of in between the mystery box that I've done and the regular card classes and kits that we do, right? So this is like a blend of the two. It's like in between, right? So it's not got all the stuff that a mystery box has in it, and it's got more than, especially product, than you would get in just a regular class that I do, right? So let me show you and give you a sample. So if you have not opened your box yet, you do not want to watch this because this is a spoiler alert for you. But if you're not worried about a spoiler alert, then let's keep on going, right? So the first thing is you get PDF tutorials, right? So it tells you everything that we made. We had the cup, the yellow cup you see is a treat box. The others are cards. So you have a fun fold card as well as some other cards here as well too, just to give you an idea. So in addition to getting PDF tutorials, you get all of the stuff pre-cut for you and ready for you to sit there and make the projects. In addition to that, you have the opportunity to come live. So like this evening at 6:30, for those that got it sent out by the mail or those local that couldn't make it but they prefer to do it on Zoom live, we'll be doing that this evening at 6:30. So not only do we get to interact together and create together, but we get to put the kit together, right? So that's another important thing. So the other thing that the kit has is you got product. So that's different than regular classes or kits. Usually we don't have a lot of product. In this particular case, you have the bling, you have the ribbon, and you have a half pack of this one isn't called latte, this is called a little latte DSP paper. So that was the product that you had in there. That was approximately $25. So the product that you get in the club kit, the Adventure Club kit, it's going to be about $25 every month, right? So it'll be a combination of things. It won't always be the ribbon and the bling here as well as the paper, but you usually will have paper, right? Because that's part of it. All right, let's show you what else you get out of this. So this was the 3D project, just to show you that it's actually in its own separate envelope, so you know that. And in addition to that, there were some goodies in here. First, there was a tag I made for them. This was another, again, it's an adventure, right? It's supposed to be exciting, doing something different. So this actually has a little cup as well as the initial of the person. So you can do whatever you want with that, whether it's a keychain or you attach it to your bag or whatever. And here are also some additional goodies, right? This is actually sugar coffee body scrub, whoop, whoop, as well as some treats here. And then, in addition to that, you get a welcome gift the first time you sign up for the club. And so here was a welcome gift that you got this time. This was a pick tool. And I use it quite a bit. If you don't know it, it's not wrapped. Here it is unwrapped. And it's one of those things you can take them apart and you can change them out. And it actually has another one as well too. So actually in this one, you have that tool in there, and in addition to that, it has the extra one with it too. So right, every month is different. So the thing is though if you continuously subscribe for 6 months, then you're going to get also a $25 Stampin' Up! Gift, right? So it's all about subscribing. If you don't want to subscribe, you have options, right? So the options to subscribe is you can do it monthly, which we do. So the monthly is you can do it either in person or you can have it mailed to you, right? It's going to be cost because the mail one's going to have mail cost in there, right? Okay, so the thing is if you want to do just 1 month and you don't want to subscribe, that is fine too. You won't get a welcome gift because the welcome gift only goes to subscribers, right? And you don't get 6 months, right? 6 months is 6 continuous months before you get the $25 free gift. So that's what it's about. But you can do the 1 month, and that 1 month option is there. It's a little bit more. It's like $3 more, both on the in-person as well as in the mail. So I've put the link there if you're interested in subscribing or interested in getting some more information. It's there, and if you need more than that, then just reach out to me through my email address, which is Judy at adventurousstamping.com. Stampin.com. So it's Stampin, it ends with an N, and there's two S's in the middle where Adventures and Stampin' come together there, right? All right, so with that, otherwise you can message me here, and I can also answer you as well, too. So I hope that covers it, and if you got any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer it. Otherwise, be blessed, and look forward to the April, right, Adventure Club kit, which will be, are you ready? Simply Zinnias. So they're very colorful, right? And there's just a lot of good fun in it, making some cards of those, as well as doing some little gifts. All right, with that, be blessed. Look forward to seeing you soon. Bye.